Caged up little bird, do you miss the sky? Remember how the winds felt when you fly? Or do you sometimes dream of soaring up high? Hey, hey, caged up little bird, do the bars comfort you? Is safety worth missing the breathtaking view? If you say it's love, all the bruises on your wings, love too. And he never bats an eye on you most times. Will you trade your worth for a love-dressed crime? Between his heart and hands that hurt you, the insults he sings like love songs to lull you. In cold nights when he turned his back, is the love in a glass with 1,000 cracks? When he can't see you're bleeding inside, it's staying safe, still safe, after it turns to suicide. Hey, caged up little bird, I know you feel scared. You once chose freedom to the skies you feared. You let go of the fears and the tears and the bruises and soared and flew to everywhere you chooses. Then the wolves and the hunters hunted you around, and you paid the cost of freedom, being chained to the ground. And you crawl back to the safety of your pen, thinking one abuser is better than 100 men. But between his heart and hands that hurt you, the insults he sings like love songs to lull you. In cold nights when he turned his back, is the love in a glass with 1,000 cracks? When he can't see you're bleeding inside, it's staying safe, still safe, after it turns to suicide. What a tragedy to feel safe where you slowly die, and you can do nothing but sad, chirp and cry. You think of the days that passed and those that will come, and you turn into nothing but gray and numb. Your songs will wither with your feathers that fall. Forgot the flight, the skies, the view, you'd forget them all. And you're left asking which could have been a greater choice, when freedom and safety both builds and destroys. Such a shame for a bird so graceful and grand, only to end up dying in safety's hand.